that a bunch of you sat way in the back this time. Normally you're up here. I know you're trying to escape. Don't escape. We have two, not just one, but two very special events that are going to happen after we do our student awards for posters, or our poster awards, not all students. So please stick around. And I'd like to invite Brad Bailey to come up and help with the awarding of the posters, poster competition.
So again, thank you all for staying to the end of the forum. It's wonderful to see so many faces still here. As I'm sure you've heard in many years before, and you're going to hear it in many years to come, one of the central tenets of SERVI is to support the development of the next generation. And so with that in mind, we are very keen on collaboration and bringing different disciplines and people together. But one of the things that actually strengthens the science is competition. And so with that, we have our student poster competition that we host every year. And we've actually had some good suggestions. I don't know if she's still in the room, but potentially next year we will open it up to oral competition as well. And so hopefully we'll have that next year. But for the purpose of this year, we have several winners from the group of students this year, and the winners will be given a $1,000 travel stipend to present their research at another conference at some point over the next year. And so we are very interested in getting these students out into the scientific field and collaborating and sharing their science with the rest of the community. So with that, we do have an initial honorable mention, and the honorable mention, oh, actually, just to back up, before we get into this, one of my great pleasures in life is to make students nervous in a large group of people. So could all the students who are still here please stand up? There's a few. There we go. Give them a round of applause. So please look around the room, and these are the future of planetary science, and so grab a hold of one of them and mentor them, and they will ultimately be your legacy as well. So, and all the other ones who've already left. And all the other ones who've left. Many. That's right. So, okay, moving on to the honorable mention. With the poster title of Hidden in the Neutrons, Physical Evidence for Lunar True Polar Wonder, James T. Keene. Yeah.
Take your picture. Congratulations.
Thanks. Great.
Oh.
Might have one without being
Yes.
It's my name on my face.
That's it's better than mud.
The three of you.
Okay, the three of us, yes.
Thank you. And don't go too far. If you could just hang out over here in this area, that'd be wonderful.
The bathing suit competition is next.
That's right. Now we're going to move on to third place. And for the poster Hypothesizing the Existence of the Zikwe Family in the 5-2 Kirkwood Gap, it's the Bel Air High School group, which unfortunately have gone home already. But Andy Shaner is here, and he's going to accept the award for the Bel Air High School group. This is one of the many groups that is run through David Kring CLSE SERVI team, and they work with mentors and I think a dozen or so, is that right? A dozen teams? 10 teams or so work with mentors on areas of research, and it's become a mainstay in the SERVI education outreach portfolio. We have a tie for second place, and the tie is a three-way tie. And so it is, and so with the poster of Testing Remote Control for Teleoperated Rovers Using Telerobotic Simulation Systems, Nate Marks. And if you could keep the clapping going, he was working very closely with Christopher Womack, and his poster was design and development for the telerobotic simulation system for teleoperated rovers on the moon. And so they're both of them. Okay. Yeah. Over here. Oh, they're blocking it out. That's why we paid them the big bucks. Thank you.
We want one with everybody.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
We'll do the.
Come on.
Is this yours?
Nope.
No?
That one. Thank you.
And
Okay, and the second half of the tie, if depending on how you're counting at home, if the second place, it goes to the poster Spacecraft/Rover Hybrids for the Exploration of Small Solar System Bodies by Ben Hockman. Ben here? Oh, there it comes. We have taken photos of all of their posters that we'll post online, hopefully with their permission. So please come back and... and look at all the posters and the award-winning posters that were online. So, okay. And for finally, for first place, the poster entitled Isolating Electromagnetic Induction from the Lunar Interior Measured with Artemis, Heidi Fuqua. Who will be getting a nasty gram email from me. Oh, okay. Yeah, Greg, come on up. You can accept for Heidi. That, Heidi's been with Survey and NLSI for pretty much her whole graduate career, and so we're actually very pleased to.
would you hold up stand up here and hold this up?
That's right.
She might. She might.
All right.
And so with that, can we give all of the poster winners a round of applause?